The 2025 KTM 890 Adventure R sets a new standard in the midweight adventure motorcycle category, combining rugged off-road capability with cutting-edge technology. At the heart of the 890 Adventure R is a powerful 889cc, two-cylinder engine that delivers an impressive 103 horsepower and 100 Nm of torque, paired with a 6-speed gearbox and a slipper clutch. The steel frame uses the engine as a load-bearing element, ensuring a lightweight yet strong structure. Its suspension setup, derived from the KTM 450 Rally, includes a 48mm WP Explorer fork in the front and a WP Explorer PDS shock in the rear, both offering 240mm of travel for tackling rough trails with ease. The 21-inch front and 18-inch rear aluminum spoked wheels are fitted with Mitas Enduro trail tires, perfect for off-road adventure. To enhance its Dakar-inspired look and aerodynamics, the 890 Adventure R features a low-profile windshield and high front fender, both contributing to a more aggressive and purposeful appearance. The new graphics package adds a bold, distinctive style, reflecting KTM's competitive spirit and rally DNA. The single-piece seat, with a height of 880mm, ensures comfort and stability while navigating various terrains. In terms of technology, the 890 Adventure R is equipped with a 5-inch TFT display that offers Bluetooth connectivity through the KTM Connect app, enabling riders to access turn-by-turn navigation, music, and phone calls. The bike also includes advanced ABS with 2 modes, off-road and an optional rally mode, and a deactivatable rear-wheel ABS for precise control when tackling challenging terrain. Traction control and various riding modes further enhance the bike's adaptability. With a dry weight of just 196 kilograms, the 890 Adventure R is engineered for those who seek ultimate performance both on and off the beaten path.